Hey folks, we are live tonight honoring our Students of the Week. We're at Bert Ogden Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Harlingen, and it got dark outside while we were in here, but we got a lot of great students. They just picked up their sponsorship or their scholarship checks for $1,000, courtesy of the great sponsors that make it possible: International Bank, Channel 5, Bert Ogden Dealerships, McDonald's, and Lee's Pharmacy. We appreciate everybody for making this possible, and these students have some amazing plans ahead of them. They've done some amazing things already, so really cool to be in the presence of them and their families and our sponsors. It's just a special night, and we're so honored to be part of this. Let's look at what's going on weather-wise across the valley. We'll talk more about the students in a second. Let's look at our current temperatures, and here's where we stand right now. Everybody in the upper 70s and low 80s across the region. It's been a warm afternoon with, we'll call it, mostly sunny skies. We just saw a beautiful sunset a few minutes ago, and as we look ahead the next few days, it's going to stay warm, at least through the weekend. I think as we head into probably Saturday, we're still looking at very warm temperatures, up around 88 degrees on Saturday, 89 on Friday, but it's Sunday when things change because a front's going to come in, and with that front, we're going to see some pretty significant changes across the area. We'll talk more about that in a second. Let's look at our satellite. So what's going on across the region today? And the answer is virtually nothing. About as beautiful as it could be out there. Humidity's up a little bit. There was some fog this morning. We might have to deal with a little bit of that again tonight. But as we look at the computer model, look at Future Track, it'll show you what we expect. And the answer is just patchy fog tonight, not a whole lot more. We go forward and you see those low clouds show up. But the issue is that late tonight, early tomorrow, the moisture is going to thicken up, and we could see, along with that thick overcast in the morning and those low clouds, there could be some spotty drizzle around the area as well. Not a lot. We're talking about a slight chance for showers, but it's in the morning. By afternoon, I think things begin to break, and I think by the evening, we're clearing back out again, which could set the stage for a little bit more fog again tomorrow night. You look at Friday, you end up with partly sunny skies again by Friday afternoon. So one small chance of rain, and it comes much later tonight and early tomorrow morning, and then after that, I think it's pretty much gone. Now, here's a look at your rain chances. We're looking at 10%. That's it. Friday we're dry, and then late Saturday, as the next front arrives, that could trigger a shower as well. Still warm Saturday, but behind that front, we could see spotty showers with it and behind it. So that 20% on Saturday is primarily late in the day into the evening hours. How much rain are we looking at? Well, through tomorrow, look at that, 1/10 of an inch at most. This is not a big deal tomorrow. Spotty stuff, you know, most likely near the coast, but there's what we call upslope in the western part of the valley where the wind blows uphill. That could trigger some drizzle in the western part of the valley as well, but again, not a whole lot of activity, just spotty stuff around the region. So you check out the forecast for tonight: partly cloudy skies with some patchy fog showing up later on, low temperatures in the upper 60s, and then tomorrow some clouds early, maybe a little drizzle around the area, and with that I think we're still going to warm back up into the 80s, and I think by afternoon those clouds will thin out and we'll begin to see some sunshine. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast, and it's going to call for temperatures staying warm through Saturday, but then on Sunday readings drop pretty significantly. I think Sunday we'll be lucky if we get back to 70, 72 degrees with clouds and probably low clouds in the morning. Maybe by the end of the day, Sunday, some sunshine, but I would count on clouds being the dominant thing at least the first part of the day. And after an 87-degree day, 89-degree day on Saturday, Sunday will feel significantly cooler. All right.